We're here at the place you want to be.
Where the ladies are sincere and oh so pretty. Cebu City.
I'm your co-hostess, Hannah.
And it's me again, Rodelyn.
And we are proud to be here tonight at the center of it all.
In the place where men will find a woman who make their life complete.
And women will find the last man they ever want to meet.
Night one is always overwhelming, getting used to the ideas of so many ladies being interested in you.
So that's why we have Socials Night 2.
You can walk in more comfortable, more ready to meet your match.
With over 100 more ladies waiting, hoping that they are who your eye will catch.
As long as you're a gentleman, they don't mind who you are, where you've been, and where you're from.
So long as the chemistry is there and you're ready to be their man, their one.
It's not a mirage.
And it's definitely not too good to be true.
This is August Cebu Socials Night 2.
That's a wrap on August Socials Night 2.
We saw it all tonight. Beautiful ladies together with great men who traveled thousands of miles just to meet them.
But the end of the socials is just the beginning of something more.
The socials are just the initial spark that melds two people together.
The excursions, the days spent getting to know each other. These are the foundations the relationships are built on.
You being here, building those foundations, is not just a story, it's your story.
The one you will tell your kids about.
How you look all over the world to find the perfect woman for you.
But your story can't start
Until you come here to meet her.
Thank you to all the guys around the world watching. I'm your co-hostess, Hannah.
And it's me again, Rodelyn, asking you, when will your AFA story begin?
Join men from all over the world as they take a trip and find their future brides. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Then click on the notice bell to get notified every time we add something new. Interested? Learn more at
Filipino-bride.com